Hello children, happy to see you all. I am your Max teacher Sandhya from Bharathidasan Matriculation Higher Secondary School, going to teach 5th standard Max 4th lesson. So you all know what is our 4th lesson name. Our 4th lesson name is fractions. What does mean by fractions? Yes, very good. Fractions means that is parts of the whole, and then the form of fraction is p by q. Here p is numerator and q is denominator. Then numerator means that is shaded part and denominator means that is total part. And today we are going to see fraction related fill-ups. Fill in the blanks by putting greater than or less than or equal in the each of the following to make the statement true. Our first question is 6 by 11, 6 by 13. 6 by 11 and 6 by 13. 6 by 11, 6 by 13. So listen children, in first we have the fraction, the numerator value is 6 and then the denominator value will be 11. Here the numerator value is 6 and then denominator value is 13. So you all know the numerator in fraction, the numerator values are same means here see the denominator value. We have the denominator values are 11 and then 13. Here the smaller number only greater value. So put the symbol like this. So 6 by 11 is greater than 6 by 13. 6 by 11 is greater 6 by 13. Next we'll see the another example. So next question is 3 by 8, 5 by 40. Here we have different numerator values and then different denominator values. Now we are going to take a denominator value and then take LCM for 8 and 40. 3 by 8, 5 by 40. So here the denominator values are 8 and 40. So take the LCM of 8 and 40. LCM of 8 and 40. So now we are going to do the LCM. 8, 40. First we are going to take a first prime number. You all know what is first prime number. Our first prime number is 2. So take a 2. Now tell me Kiran, 2 table of 8? Yes, very good. How many times? 2 4s are 8. Already 2 is there, 8 is there. So our answer is 4. 4 2s are 8 or 2 4s are 8. And next we have 20 is there. So 2 table of, next we have 40 is there. 2 table of 40? Yes. How many times? 2 20s are 40. Already 2 is there, 40 is there. Here the answer is 20. Again you are going to check whether 4 and 20 are 2 table or not. Here you listen, 4 it isn't possible in 2 table and 20 also possible in 2 table. So take a 2, 2 2s are 4 and then 20. So in 2 table of 20? Yes, very good. How many times? 2 10s are 20. Already 20 is there, 2 is there. So here the answer is 10. Next again you are going to take 2. 2 table of 2? Yes, 2 1s are 2. So 2 is there, 2 is there. Our answer is 1. And 2 table of 10? Yes, 2 5s are 10. Already 2 is there, 10 is there. So here our answer is 5. So write the answer 5. Next you are going to take 5 table. Why? Because here 5 is the prime number. Okay, so what does mean by prime number? Prime number means it having exactly 2 factors, that is 1 and number itself. So 1 and then 5 table 5 totally 1 time. 5 1s are 5 or 1 5s are 5. Already 5 is there, our answer is 1. Here we have the factors are 2, 2, 2 and then 5. So take 2 into 2 into 2 into 5. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8 and 8 5s are 40. So we got the LCM value is 40. Here you will write the LCM of 8 and 40 is 40. Take the first fraction. We have the first fraction is 3 by 8. So here you should change the denominator value will be 40. So take a 3 by 8. The denominator value will be 40. So now tell me Kitana, what number should be multiplied by 8 to get the product as 40? Yes, very good. That is 5. So here you should multiply both numerator and denominator by the same number. Take 5 and 5. 8 5s are 40, then 3 5s are 15. 8 5s are 40 and 3 5s are 15. Next you will take this second fraction. What is the second fraction here we have? Yes, very good. We have the second fraction is 5 by 40. So take 5 by 40. We need the denominator value is 40. So now we are going to check what number should be multiplied by 40 to get the product as 40. That is 1. So here you both a numerator and denominator multiply by the same number. 1 and then 1. So 40 ones are 40, 5 ones are 5. We got the answers on 15 by 40 and 5 by 40. So take and write 15 by 40, 5 by 40. So listen children, here we got a same denominator value. Now we are going to see the numerator value. Compare this two number. Which one is the greater number? Very good. 15 is a greater number. So put the symbol like this. 15 by 40 is greater than 5 by 40. So listen children, I hope everyone enjoyed this session. In this session you all learned fractions related only one topics, that is fill in the blanks, put the symbol. I hope everyone enjoyed this session. In this below description we have attached study material, question bank and self-assessment work. So my dear students, do all the exercise problem. If you have any doubt, just go through this video. Thank you.